I'm going to do this differently.
Seedance 2.5, the best AI video model out there right now, and you're getting 33 days of unlimited generation on Higgsfield through the link in the description. And the sponsor of this video is also Higgsfield. A big thanks to the Higgsfield team for letting us explore this. When you click the link in the description, you'll land on this page and you can log in with your Google account. And here you get 33 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5. Once your account is set up, click on Video and set the model to Seedance 2.5. Here you can upload up to 50 assets, images, videos, audio, whatever you want. Then you describe in the prompt how you want your assets to interact in the video. So let me show you an example of how you'd use this. To start building the video, you click here and upload your images. I've already uploaded some images and videos along with audio, so you upload here and then you select the images, the audio, or the video you want to use, and it gets added. If I want the audio, I can select the audio. I can select the video, but for now, let's just keep selecting images. Let's select a few. You can select up to 50 assets, but I don't think selecting too many actually helps. It can end up contradicting itself. So I've uploaded my images, and I've also given timestamps, so it knows when to hand each action to the characters. At 0 to 4 seconds, image 1 pushes open the door and steps into the apartment. He stops just inside. Image 2 is standing near the bed. I've written all my prompts like that, but you can write it in a very simple way, in plain language. It doesn't have to be technical. You just assign the action to a specific time, and all of the actions happen inside the 30 seconds. Now, I use the same character in multiple scenes. The man is image 1, and he's here, and here, and here, so he shows up several times, and the same with the woman. When that happens, I refer to him as image 1 everywhere in the prompt where I talk about that character. Then at the end of the prompt, I add a reference line. Image 1, image 3, and image 6 are the same man. Take this face, and so on. And then the same thing for the woman below that. So for the reference, we just have to tell it they're the same character. If we call him image 4 in one place and image 6 in another, the model can think it's a different person. This way is better, because at the end, I'm telling it directly that they're the same character. I've also given it one image for the color palette, so it color grades according to the mood of that image. I've asked it to take the palette from that image. So here I'm just using images. I'm not adding any video or audio. Aspect ratio, 16:9. I could go 21:9, but 16:9 is fine for me. And the resolution is 720p. It started generating. It could take about a minute. All right, the video's generated. Let's see.
Anyway, what makes you think he knows the secret?
Okay, so it looks smooth and everything looks real. I asked it to use the color palette I gave it, and it does the color grading accordingly. But it's a little tight because I'm demanding more action than it can hold, so it can skip some actions that I asked. Now let me generate another video, but this time I'll just prompt in a very simple way. I'll just describe whatever comes to mind. Okay, I'll say the man in image 2 walks into the room. The man in image 4 points a pistol at him, shouting, "No movement." And here, let's use the woman. The woman in image 3 throws her phone at the gunman's hand, knocking the weapon loose. As the pistol falls, the man in image 2 leaps to catch it, accidentally bursting through the window. He snatches the gun in midair and lands on top of a moving train. Actually, instead of saying the pistol falls, let's say the woman's phone. And he snatches the phone in midair and lands on top of a moving train. Let's see the video.
No movement.
Of course, it's not always perfect, but generating a 30-second video like this is amazing. So if you want something like this, get your account set up and start using it. Look at the quality, it's hard to spot whether it's AI or real, and there are so many use cases for this. Let me play some of the videos I generated with Seedance 2.5 on Higgsfield, and I'll end with that. Thank you, everyone.
Long story. I told you I could do it.
10 seconds and nothing's falling apart. That's a record.
See? Perfectly balanced.
On which planet?
Timeline adjustments logged.
This man, he shouldn't be here. How did he get on this train?
Anomalies like this occur when a timeline suffers too many interventions. Events bleed together.
How lethal is that shot?
At this era, on the American frontier, his survival probability is 0.19%.
We have to save him. If he dies here, history changes. Our side could lose the war. Everything unravels.
That outcome is unacceptable. I have calculated the consequence of this intervention. It is critically destabilizing. Time freeze will collapse. 5, 4, 3, 2...
Override! Stop the countdown!
1.